Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you set up Siri for only my voice. So guys, if you want to set up Siri on for my voice, here I will show you how can you set it. So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what we need to do, we have to just open setting, and from here scroll it below, and from here tap here Siri and search, and from here tap on listen for, tap here, and here you can Siri or hey Siri and hey Siri. So guys, select anyone from this, tap on enable Siri, and from here guys, see the instruction that given by Siri setting up, tap here continue. How's the weather? Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And here guys, Siri is ready. Tap on done. Tap here not now. And from here guys, your Siri will be set up on your device. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.